Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly option in the world of mesh routers, the Vilo Mesh Router. Now, I've been testing this out for a while, and I've got a lot to say about it, so let's jump right in. So, what caught my eye about the Vilo Mesh Router? Well, first off, it's priced really competitively, making it one of the most affordable mesh systems out there. At its core, it promises to extend your Wi-Fi coverage without breaking the bank. But, as we'll soon find out, affordability sometimes comes with its own trade-offs. Let's talk design. The Vilo router is simple and compact, about the size of a can of Red Bull, with a clean matte white finish. It comes with 3 Ethernet ports, which is a plus for a budget mesh system. Setting it up was a breeze. Just plug it in, scan the QR code on the bottom with the app, and you're good to go. The app itself is straightforward, perfect for those who find tech setups daunting. Now, let's get to the heart of it, performance. Here's where the Vilo starts to show its colors. It's a dual-band AC1200 router, which means it's not rocking the latest Wi-Fi 6 tech. During my tests, speeds were, well, let's just say they were underwhelming. It consistently ranked at the bottom in speed tests compared to other mesh routers I've reviewed. If you have a high-speed internet plan, this might not be your best bet. Let's break it down further. On the upside, the Vilo is incredibly affordable and does extend Wi-Fi coverage throughout the house. It's great for basic internet needs and might be suitable if you're on a budget or have moderate internet speeds. However, it lacks advanced features like device prioritization or gaming modes. Plus, there were some occasional connectivity issues and drops during my testing, which could be frustrating. I tested the Vilo in a typical home setup, moving from room to room to see how well it maintains speeds. While it managed to provide usable speeds throughout, especially in areas that traditional routers struggle with, there were moments where speeds dropped unexpectedly, particularly as I moved closer to the main router. It's decent for stationary devices, but not ideal if you move around a lot. So, is the Vilo Mesh Router worth it? Well, it depends. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to improve your Wi-Fi coverage and don't need blazing speeds, it could be a good fit. It's easy to set up, reliable in most cases, and far better than a single-point router in terms of coverage. However, if you have a faster internet plan or need more robust features, you might want to invest a bit more in something like. That's it for today's review on the Vilo Mesh Router. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.